Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to extend battery life on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using a Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro and now you want to extend your phone's battery life, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings and enable or disable some settings. You just have to go to battery section, just like here, just select it, and here first you have to enable battery saver if your battery is under 50%. After enabling that, just go back and here you have the battery usage status. Just select it, and here you will get your battery usage status. Here the battery level is low. So now I'm going to select the battery health and charging, and here you have to tab on optimized battery charging, and you have to enable this setting, which is optimized based on habits. You have to enable the setting. Now go back, and here you'll get the app optimization. Let's tap on it, and here you have to optimize your all apps. As I have already optimized it, just tap on done, and after that just scroll down and you have to enable this setting, which is sleep standby optimization. And after that just scroll down and you will get all of the usage of the battery. Here you will get here, and now if you get any app unnecessary, so you can easily block the background usage of the app. As I'm going to block the background usage of this time because its background usage is 23 minutes. So just tap on it, and here you have to block the background usage. Since this is allow background usage, you have to disable the settings and just go back. And here you will get all of your phone apps. You have to disable all the background usage of unnecessary apps, and after doing this your phone's battery life will extend up to two two times. So that's how you can easily extend your battery life of Vivo X200 FE or Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.